Hi everyone, I have Dhaval with me, who's co-founder of AtliQ Technologies, an AI agency, as well as Codebasics, one of the top AI YouTube channels out there. So I have prepared a couple of questions with Dhaval, and we are going to have a rapid fire round today. So Dhaval, you have been doing AI for a long time. I would even say it's way before even I graduated. What changed when Gen AI arrived, and do you consider it as opportunities or chaos?
Gen AI has made AI accessible to everybody. Previously, it wasn't the case. And it has come up with a lot of opportunities. Of course, we are seeing a lot of automation happening in the industry. But those opportunities have come with chaos, where you are seeing all these startups which are making false promises, and these promises are getting broken when things get deployed to production. So I would say it's a world of a lot of opportunities mixed with chaos.
I think the chaos is directly in the opportunity here.
Yes.
What's one thing that any client has told you or anything any client has done that is making you pull your hair every single time?
So when client, especially non-technical clients, walks in the room and they present a technical architecture, because of course they talk to ChatGPT and they think that they can design technical architecture, and they present that to us with a lot of confidence, and they detect that no, you should use this model and this architecture. That is a time when I feel like pulling my hair.
This is something that I relate a lot with as well, and I think everybody who's into like AI implementation would be facing the same thing. What is the biggest misconception that clients are having, the one which is wasting most of your time?
Often client thinks that AI is some kind of magic, and they expect magical results at a very less cost. So that is, I think they are not aware about the limitations. So they have a lot of misconceptions on what AI can do, and more than that, like they don't know what AI cannot do.
What is the best AI client experience that you have had? Something that literally blew your mind away.
So we are building this voice agent for one of our clients, and initially it was not working well because of background voice. So let's say I'm making a call to an AI agent and somebody is talking in the background. That call was getting disturbed initially. Then we fixed our pipeline, we made some changes, and then in the next version, when we did a demo, we had two phones, where on one phone I'm talking to AI voice agent, on the other phone, which is next to it, was playing some DJ music, and still it worked okay to our expectation. That blew my mind.
And if you're architecturing things right, I mean, magic is about to happen, right? The
Yes.
magic that people miss, of course. One use case where AI delivered 10 times more value than you expected.
We are building this fraud detection architecture for one of our clients based in US, and we built a system which helped them detect the frauds, and it helped them save more than $1 million in 18 months. Now that is something we did not expect. We thought, okay, they will save some money, but $1 million saving was pretty big. And then there is this another use case where client was having a system where they were processing some 100,000 logs every day. So it was log classification and some kind of log analysis. Now with the AI implementation that we have built, they are processing 10 million logs every day, which is pretty humongous, and we are very happy with that result.
Absolutely. And I think with AI, people are about to achieve more scale like this, of course, with Claude Code and all the other coding tools as well. So previously it was for these back-end office processing companies. Now I think software engineering companies are also going to see the benefit. But well, thank you, Dhaval, for being here. Thank you everyone for watching this, and we'll be coming up with more such unique experiences with founders, with other people who have been in the field of AI for a long time. Thank you for watching.